baby matter the first order say the first ya omo be try the question na we an say sa you know mako pa to go na wo ye question ba ko to aso na ya omo sa be yi no nyina ko na go bi tell ba ya china na me chuo do pa na e ben just you know.
Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. I'll go, I'm too. Quick one. We'll learn the last caller. Maybe I don't know.
Education,
JB, never mamma find show. I am fine show, Mr.
Educate you best throw far. Na COVID ya make and say, yeah, na ya pa the comfort which one which them who can be same no comfort twice or so them. No go flu or do decade you know you know man in Yasam to twa. Any power will say which na Kofi Devi as me
good morning.
87.9.
Yeah, Pacho.
Pacha famous editor.
Okay, overthing.
Pacha me free
Okay.
What's one more kind of coffee basso kaka?
I mean you.
My plaque can make him in a mobile, the name for home to go.
Oh, okay.
Now, no more the convulsions to back on the more in 9.
Hey,
you said that 1 year, somebody name.
hey,
I'm on my journey 14 years, and the police needed they will win me a nickel or watching them.
wow.
If you say police in say, now the children to one and was so the idea. Yeah, that one with the board in them. The convocation where you go. Now, police in the sense of one and a quarter for one and go to 2 corner. So we'll see a criminal on pattern one. It's a more cry and who's a criminal media. Yeah, I'm poor money at the Umba or how more. That's it.
Okay, but that's a pa. Now, we are done with this Akron 4 issue.
Mr. Mame, what trying to 2 minutes per.
Okay,
now
Mame.
on the education kakra.
Yeah.
You see, a cornerstone Dawson. Now, me small research on what to do during robbery. Mame, 2 minutes per chair. I say robbery prevention tips. There's a overall preventing robbery. Trust your instinct. There's also to me a share. Also, we'll try now. What I say? If you sense trouble, get away as soon as possible. Say hono emboa free honum. Show confidence. More akron for ba hono ma. Show confidence kakra. What I say? Walk steadily.
Confidence when
I say one number. You want to obi do it or born tete. What I say? Also one anti steady. Oh, fine. So what answer is different.
What answer as a show confidence with dream. As a badness out than a mobile, so what that memory.
Good. I say don't look like an easy target. But I don't make an University of University of Missouri for an research.
I disagree.
One number, is that comfortable? We are a phone. Conform your phone now. That's almost we want to steadily also
that way we send your phone on phone on
I say don't look like an easy target. Robbers want someone who will provide the least resistance. If you look like you know where you are going, walk with your head up and eyes alert.
Can you imagine?
You will most likely be left alone. I say be observant. Be observant. Try say be out. Me I won't be beer. Tattoo be crying out. We walk on phone. Well, security tips are the phone.
Okay. Right. I think say Niama, we are calling on the security.
Yes.
Sabe, Mame, Yambambo, Esha woman, sir.
Yeah.
We cannot afford a bread Ghana and wire dear. And the inflation could do to the 3.6%. Diane, fuel, and no 3 times and a shoot to inflation. A Diana Bois, and Kania, no, fuel, the transport fares. About 49%. And maybe you are discussing sure sachet water by quiet or no eco 50.
Yes, out to light boom.
I know they say at
I don't make a who the right way. Or see if you are robbed, remain calm. make personal safety the number one priority. Money and property can be replaced. You can't for phone, but for phone, man. I say, carefully observe the physical characteristics of the robber. So I tell to be a try. When you remain calm, now you said about police for about identify you. When it is safe, notify the police by calling 911. Protect the scene of the crime. After so maybe I remember be about home view. Say the be on bar meet me and your fingerprint. Ask any witnesses to stay until police arrive. Write down all suspect information immediately.
Anyway, but this is a serious.
But this is very
good though. Some of them are applicable here, others are not.
Mommy first, your mommy quite some money. But this year alone, I'm robbers are couldn't fear 2 times. We are almost everything into only any valuable item. So imagine say
tiny power.
That's what we from. And imagine Apire almost so that stretch. Kofi omo bro, police for no one, omunika. And the police post never they have virtually nothing. Virtually nothing. In as much as say yeah, can say police for more police for more to move for home by no. Kofi sometimes they also need help. Now just imagine me sakro for issue with Kofi me fa mobile, me fa suboni mobile. Omo nenam kwa ho amoye dodo for no sa keke for no mo twitwa for na mo rene na sa beni for ne togo for mo jagya kwa wo sra de no. These are the criminals. They don't have sympathy for anybody.
Ehun kwa benane na aso ene sekan ekita no de nam krom.
O ka so omo na dwuma yo so onyo.
Eti enimra ebetimi a prevent san ma na se emwa se obi kita so ene sekan no de nam krom se wo kwa akododo. Sanko no no munyini no ma ba bedane akromfo no.
So abusanfo ebi afi no adwan ne ya ha ya Akoma 87.9 FM. JB, there's a very disturbing video KMA. And this video is purported to be coming from KGTR. City guards and watch it dwedini. Abusanfo, you will cry. Okay, I wrote the video, mame. Now it's terrible. Because Usha said here, Papa no den na mame nanim nyina ba ebambojana.
Nanim nyina jumuja.
Jesus Christ.
No mum ne ho ofo mo nom sa no. Nanim nyina jumuja. Nanim nyina.
What?
You're on ethics
No, let's establish. We need to call the assembly.
No, Kofi, Mr.
Fine out.
Kofi, maybe assembly issue no.
I know they are
okay. Hey, Jesus Christ.
Moja na prima mi yo.
Hey.
Kofi me them say me camp play that. But mo fan chemi. Sa akwa no ejimi fo.
What?
87 point.
Hey. I'm talking for Adia no wedding.
Kofi Bema na ebo mame no.
Jesus Christ. I tell for more show video no background no where you do me fa where they say a common place I tell for more show video na mama minya the exact location more show video this happened I think oh no we've lost it. Oh no. We have lost it. We have lost it. No, we have lost it.
What is the meaning of this? Sunday we as such say.
No, but we have lost it.
Go and protect lives and property.
To what extent? Now, area ni ya hemfa. Mo amunim dum keje.
Kofi
to wase. Mo zoom in anim. Okoja ma for anim mame.
Jesus Christ.
Hey. Mame na mo je pa na
sa. Putu na ya se kwa kan ho.
Obi mame a okọ.
Hwe Kofi ni hwe. Won. Watch Ronaldo.
Anti dear Kwana, mammy, dear Yawa.
Before Gina Honor, no more. Some men will be an Akasako and a Camel. I just said,
What about a good dentino? I'm out for them question. Shut Bema. Hey, when any Bema. Oh, when any Jimino.
I never. Mom, okay, this is the man.
Hey, when you.
And okay, good. I love that. Now we have a rare capture of the face, and no. But maybe a buffon and police have not arrested this man.
Before the crime free honor. Your job is not to go and beat people on the streets. You what you want to know. No matter the level of provocation.
Until only. So. Hey, observe we my new Kofi Asante ne ha nani, but makoma ye me ya because me who be say da se be mada se nipa etu ne na bobo ba yam na moja pramame no
wabuna fa no
se die nko a
wabuna fa no wabuna fa no
enkosi hwe
obi maame
me na me ya ne say there were other city gas phobia
no mo gina ho
mo hwe so mo akwane mo maame no
enye city gas kwa na set me mo fon so gina ho.
That is the most.
Why would they watch papa no
ebi mkwa prevent no ebi mkwa pattern ba na ontie
papa no so kra wanya brante o
wo gina brante wanyini
is a 50 plus
wo gina adwene nyina wo fie wo gina nyansa nyina wo fie
wonum say eya na mostly ye etim before you throw men in uniform.
No, come on.
Uniform
suobey. Uniform suobey.
Because senaka say eye obi ti say me a. Na me eye sa de wo so a. Kofi na kame nka hwe o. Me kwa kwata mabo afi baby de ba be hwe akwa ni tiri. Ono so en feel sa de ni bi. Ye hwe ni e che me a fine. Because
me mama anka me twa squad ama no. Me mama anka me twa squad ama ko awi.
Na wa kwa che mama we. Say whatever the case may be. What say what to 29 dia wono. Jesus Christ, I'm a moja prim na mo
it's very, very terrible. And if this woman were to be my sister, Olachi, I would have ended up in jail. Kofi, I say, how did it all began? How did it all began? Okay. So sad, George Mafo. This guy is totally an animal. Old man like him. My brother. Wrongful arrest by these KMA guys, especially one Madam Joyce. Okay. Joseph, and they allowed him. The case is better be reported to soldiers. This one would never happen in Zongo. I will lie. My brother. Call the mayor. Okay. I mean, we are arranging the mayor. We're calling the mayor.
By now. Somebody think you channel.
A total disgrace. A total disgrace.
And you at the
no, but this is seriously a condemnable act.
Kofi Debi I say I see any condemn me a jahoko. Me one near Jenny Pano Kokwa, Papa Pen Wadano, Uquatito, Wadano, just like that. Near Jano, no one in a more near back condemn me. Oh, ya condemn your goose, ya didn't make Jamaran and where think you channel by now.
You know what I'm feeling as a Miraho,
we want the Anankano Yonko Bermanco. Oh, what you told Papa Pen what he said, Tim Senitino, a empty him.
I tell for more access, more monya videoing, more frere, be more information about this security officer. Okay, KGTia.
Yes.
Security ni ba ko ball.
Aye. What is the kind of?
or no?
87.9.
About driver.
Is this spinal or something?
Yes.
It was a
At the wall.
screwdriver, sharp object.
Yes.
Moka is a story.
Yes.
But
And now you were sympathizing with the KB official.
Kofi,
And look at
my fan to just say I try say be free Sampain in Sanyanka no. And security and justice convener no. One Victor Moses. Che Moses, sorry.
Yeah.
Your friend now on Team 5 said be put so omo in charge of task force.
Therefore, who information about this video? Friend number is 0575 5040 52 0575 5040 52. Now, why a part of the discussion? It is very damning, very dangerous.
We condemn act, no.
I mean, come on,
very
totally condemnable.
But I was asking see any people 70 no. I say you said what really caused the stir.
Assumption. Mami we e dey dey party pan or be here. If mami dey do attempt
to say you condemn what there no because we any here. But for the purpose of discussion until you did number to do no. And therefore why would you know how eyewitness I what see who and what see this here no. For any who what really caused ma obi bufu ya or boom am helplessly say very bad.
No, maybe to what extent?
And then kwan obey you.
Mami da for mumni no.
Me I say oblidi you and I'm
wow. Now when I see one from me say who be crony see you.
No, mo hear edum no. Mo I dey mo hear video no. Mo ma me background no. Yeah, mo ma me background no. Area no mo win madum. Obi a we hear video win madum. Mo ma me nya the exact location. Obetimi I try am my prediction of the location. Yeah, Facebook page on Akoma. Pacha oba share video no like a page na fa comment eto mame. Na akuya kunedu even if the woman did something wrong. Say yabuni say nana yaw. I don't think he was born by a woman, my brother. I agree with you. Ibrahim, this security guard must be arrested and jailed. Also no ata Daniel was say Kofi, this is unfair. Hodrich Koski. This guy must be really arrested. And more join you on Facebook page. Area no na me per location. Wait me at your them. Or they copy there. But in fact, we are not protected by the people who should protect us. And if a citizen has done same, a city guard, what do you think would have happened? Engineer Obofo or say Kwame or say Kofi Ghana penny. My brother Iroho and Oba share video no not like a page Che Kwaku Felix. As if this can happen at Zongo, the man himself is from Zongo. Oh God, for Big Shodora Queen. Oh God, have mercy. Ransford Apire, the police will not arrest this man, but arrest the innocent citizen. Daniel Ampofo, I need his picture. Just leave everything to me. Why not Daniel Ampofo? Okay, Ghana pa my heart. Okay, Oba yem Facebook page. I'm posting the Abrantian in Facebook page, and Oba Adriana Bakofia Santian page in Swa is there. We posted it because at the end is Maza who say city guard etimi echi. Oh come on. We're looking for this city guard. Debbie, Maminya will take on this. I mean,
me anything special. Asema me babe kan se me kwato so a na ka me komachi akwa kope abo ana bibia emu oduru e de be boss a Jimmy Fui etiko epra no ada se me wie na so mo chimi am okay I'll be fulfilled because look at this be market achie na wanya bibia anye oni oba e na nya se bia wo na ekumpo o bo no makofo e pata okra wo so wonfi. Just because we a security person and you think say who opposition so who they will 2 minutes at the rain nipa. Hey, na uwia na yeja was ase ko. No, I don't care the level of provocation. Emma Kofi Emma mo no ya. Omu ahom omu akasa bodu mo kra omu te mo ho ase. Don't expect to say obeti your base. No matter the level of provocation. Men call Elko stupid that low just because who could a position kakra bi o KMA city guard o say whoever city guard awo ye o say me kwa me just say me otumi ntima me fa tete akofo fa hodi so just because my no so we di watemu so o so kwase o so ye oden o o say me kwa akobo no a wa tutu na ya wona ya sa tutu na ya won nitima moja pram na akofo so gina ho no mo ehwe me na me ya ne nkofo no moja ho no mo hwe mo tumi ambo papa ibi no me say me na me ka say na me na me ho no mo a na ka sing handle kabetu kame wakofa de dia bono obia metu gu besu do bome yes because me hu say my fulfilled eside na utumi yes ade we e de kire oba why would you do that for what
yeah
yes I say the be one might be a warranty this kind of
no ba mebo into ure that means owayire o nti say no ne yire enya asem a obo ne yire wo fi I mean yes, me worry no say oh come on. Right, it was for a higher Akoma 87.9 FM. A bizarre moment of a KMA city guards. Na watch oba a trader. Apparently, as to the obey, we getting the details now. But said no matter what, you movie we think say a very, very dangerous. Now with immediate effect, Ra Sampine and any team, Akwawi, the law must deal with him. And he should be dismissed with immediate effect because a serious my young court na yani che Moses ono ye justice and security convener Edema KMA assembly ni ya aware ababi du omanim che anope mo achimo akwa baba Akoma FM bibi abakode
ya nua
okay
ni amejo so paye da Kristo Yesu asese ona na do ni ne homo broso amana de pa chi
okay. Good. Yahoo video, very disturbing video. I suppose city guard. Boy baby ma na ni mu nyina afiri moja. Mo video ni bi.
Me ba cho there bi.
Oh, I see. To winya enhwe video ni bi. Okay. We streaming it live our yem page Akoma 87.9 FM and my yen I think then yenya da jenafi ushivia will look at it. But assembly no meaning say more mra. What are the laws? Say a city guard be kwa bonte under what circumstances and obetonensa and I say or more dear no mutimi any day no mutimi ye.
Me ameda say I say your civic responsibility. As a city guard upon couple of times we've had meetings with them. As some of the actually so crown, me kai occasions say no my meeting a catch on say. Simple car crown I watching another avenue provoke recalcitrant. The best thing you have to do, and it's all pick a car number. Now we report it to authorities. Say beya you be 2 more. Now me nim the ebesi any day obi beye oba trader beye wo city guard wo share public uniform na betumi atene wonsa impro ko ba say oba rokora di carton nsa kora no a ma dance emrem na report no na police betchina na ya because me were examples are driver ni emolest city guard with the support of liaison officer military no ya chi omoko police station you prosecute him subsequently. Enti asemi a wo bisa media me hu video no ba me gidi se sana ye city guard ni ye na antwa ye kura na wo sa eye intro no ye se mayor I decided say you better dismissing it with immediate effect, and I think it should be the very right thing that we're supposed to do.
I was calling on assembly no say muntiki that action, but intimine mayor Nkasai. That is not a position of Sampan.
Okay, me that say woman na call upon the assembly say you be to me ISR na Kovi mesro na wa mami Britia no pay me draw officer. Me metro head in a discuss me sure say by then na me to me any opportunity I show video na specific city guard I would disa humano. Na once I better me mayor any coordinating director so every sas no komo. Na ginesi papa ebeboa edi sanity abado yede ayedwuma ami nyina yenye asumtwi.
Amena wase Chei Moses, I think sir we'll be waiting for more response. Hi Akoma 87.9 FM. A bizarre moment of a city guard watching an innocent trader. Now wabuni security termini for. In fact, assault no is a brutal one, and more share Facebook page over share video no like it page now do comment at all. A very brutal assault. In fact, which I don't think it happened. Let it take mental health serious of this country. This man might be a mad person. Ransford Apire, for all you know, this guy will be promoted instead. Kobe Spark, is he saying there? He hasn't not heard it. It's a lie. This has been in the media since yesterday. Everyone is talking about it. Our leaders are not to be trusted. My brother, God will watch us all. Anyway, legend. My yenya boafo. Na such water bo kosro. Everything bo ekosro. Transport fare ebe cost 30%. Yes. My yenya against that recovery. Tobu asena bobo so mame. Bia wado kano.
Ebia na kwa we obi kana se do si tata no ntina ma fa ni tirima. Wow, this answer phone ntino. Wadaroma yebobo against debt recovery company limited. Omo number na ma sisi a bomodin se obetimi do ani akire mu e o makache ni titiripa ni se obi a ebia wo do obi kana obi de ka se do si twewabo so na ni enyan anase bia on insurance company bia to kese bibia si es wo mo hwe ne bia company no de claim se de ma waye biara wo mo se da kwanabra no e ya do so do a bomodin se obetimi do ani akire mu against debt wo makache omo asante mantema si ya so ame eno mudua edan a Stanbic Bank ewo mu a omo be Fidelity Bank ni sandan kro na mu ena akoma a obetimi ehunu omo ewo ho 0247 880153 0247 880153 and 0500 100 420 0500 100-420 Bomardin se obefra against debt recovery company limited and no pay na omombu na bibia nso enkonka nti kofi against debt woman number no
we are at the Asadama Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism.
Honomoa na yakwakope achire kama party media free. Ni titiri pa na obi a ewo ni tirimu posi bi ope se obeye adwuma ibi. Enti we no 2-year NABTEX diploma programs. And yedi mfinhia mienu AC wotime edi ama wo. Journalism and media studies. Sounds na when business administration and watching is be a hospitality management ni nyina no Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism. We some for some radio schools na doso na mo mi se sie de me metima bomoden edi ho adanse edi amo na won so ba wa no atimi atie pa na adwuma no watima ye di so mfa so na no ne Oxford Institute and watch no ye was short courses bi e wo no mabusumi sia pe wapon wa ba bonten krata mpani for the be ma no masa se tie nie na some short courses no 6 months in air cosmetology and of makeup 6 months digital social media marketing busumi sia pay yebetime de atetew na wonso aba ba ye adwuma bi any TV broadcasting nyina eno achi video and of the fence photography no so busumi sia ebenfo ebetime de atetew ma wonso no watime ajudin na wa ye adwuma no kama pa wo ho eno mo na sabre de enoma edi akotene pa de brani fan say facilities e available no e chen kure ukwa ampanifo aye studios kese TV ene radio dia e betimi a kire wo practicals ne ade eno akini ye wo de fan say free computer training e won no de oba na unim hui e wo de fan say computer mu krampo no a we de eye free untu aka preba kora e wo mu san so na ba bi abekwa akotena na wo aye research asua de ne ade nyina no abusanfo de ne Oxford Institute eno akini sa wo ba na bia unya ba bi kora betimi de uti ato a we no oba broni fan say eye confisi obi ba hostel facility eno so eye krado
baby o free baby ensa beka na watimi aba campus no was Santase
ya nkase bia wo free bosome frɛ ho.
Oh, okay.
Ɛno akora ba ko ba ha.
Okay.
Ɔse wa wie school owie kwada so de no.
Okay.
Na ɔse ba behwehwɛ na mbisa ne sa de no so de we wasi ama school campus na sia ya. Akɔpɛsɛ sa so school na abɛdi na. Ɛsɛ we de
God is good. God is good.
But ɔse de we wasi ama hɔ no ma ya campus.
Any campus.
National service
is one of the best.
Uwie ba bia attachment free nyina.
Yeah, any campus is one of the best.
Ɛde na ope.
But my main fan to just currently admission go so
yeah.
Bia ubia no ubetimi afa ho free anope ya kokosi na nwumre ewo Santase Star Junction wa cosmetology and makeup person ye wenim sa so na video editing digital media and nyina social media bibia akwanya wo de mountain bomodin